Look, he's still over there, looking.
I talk in Missy language.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Oh shit!
I found out about it in the business meeting, which was hardly the time to find out about it, but fun.
Where's your cigarette?
Dinner, of course.
How about strawberry?
I don't like strawberry.
You like strawberries all the time.
I like the strawberry, but the strawberry is not supposed to be for pancakes.
Oh yeah. Of course it is.
It's like this.
The maggot? Pineapple?
Why is it pink?
I don't know why it's pink.
Even just a twist. Good morning. He doesn't even shave his face. I like when he shave his face, but seems like he's not doing it. We just dropped his mother for her lunches. Anybody in there?
Nope.
She's the first one?
Yeah. There's only 2 people actually in there.
Really?
At all.
In this hour, it's still early, hun.
Yeah, I know.
She's early today. She's.
Well, they used to be at 11:30. They used to show up.
Anyway, guys, good morning. Uh-oh. We're heading to GCPini, but we don't know where we're going actually. It's just, I don't know. We don't know where's GCPini here. Okay, we're here, guys. We're at GCPini. Let's go inside. This is the weird entrance right here. Okay, Tammy said we're going this way. Lumaki na siya as in New York ang company. I don't know why Tommy go to Key Jewelry. It's really pricey and I don't know why he get in there. It's crazy. So, punta na kami dun sa GCPini kasi punta na kami sa GCPini, guys, kasi doon namin na hinahanap ang yung relo ng mama niya. So, doon namin hanapin. Look what I see, guys. Sephora. Look at this. This is nice. I like it. Okay, hanap tayo ng relo. Look at this. Spark 399. Tingin-tingin lang tayo, guys, kasi wala tayong pera. So hanggang tingin na lang. Look, he's still over there looking. The same place. He like rose gold. So we found the one, not really the one yet, but I'm sorry, I'm just filming myself. It's okay.
I like that.
I do too. The earrings.
That's not earrings, it's a necklace.
Necklace and earrings together.
Yeah. I don't even want to know what it costs.
Here, one more time, then let's do the other one. No. It's supposedly be rose gold, right?
And it has to have the numbers like that. That has lines.
Okay.
Oh, they don't have it?
Yeah, nothing matches.
So also, Tommy, guys, want me to look something, but you know what, guys? In my birthday, I really want
These are the motion ones.
Motion one?
The stone constantly moves. It's constantly sparkling all over the place.
This is where Tommy get my wedding engagement ring, right?
Yeah.
And the wedding ring. It's this area here. I want in my birthday, guys, it's lechon. I just want a lechon on my birthday.
What's with the cookies?
It's lechon already. It's ready cooked. It's cooked already.
It's cooked already.
Yeah. Twins.
Hey guys, here's the deal. You want to order a lechon? Order it from a Spanish place. It's much tastier.
You don't even try it. You don't even know
I did.
it. Well, you know what, guys? There is one in Queens.
Spanish place.
No, this is one in Queens that Remy got in her birthday. You guys remember it? Yeah, she ordered it from Queens, and then end up like it's really tasty. And we're going to our car, and this is the shopping center of, what is this? What shopping center is this? Bay Plaza in the Bronx. Yeah,
Barnes &
it's
Noble closed down.
huh?
Barnes & Noble closed down. That's just sad.
Barnes and Noble's where?
Closed down.
Oh, it's closed. Okay, guys, so we're done. We're going home. It's freezing. Why is it freezing today? I put makeup on, guys, a little bit. It's very light only, guys, because I'm all about the best, no trouble. Thank you guys so much for seeing Wilson with Tommy with the hospital thing, and thank you guys for a nice comment, and I really do appreciate all of you guys. Popeyes.
If you want, tell me before I drive past it.
Yeah, please. This is Popeyes right here. We are here. Popeyes.
If this guy would move up a little.
BC. We got Popeyes. My favorite chicken in America.
What happened to Jollibee's?
No, Popeyes. Popeyes. Guys, don't get me wrong, guys. Jollibee have the best chicken. Just Tommy doesn't like it. If you're Filipino, you like Jollibee. But if you tried Popeyes, Popeyes is the best also. But if there is Jollibee and Popeyes, probably I'll eat both. They're
No,
both
if you had to pick one or the other.
Popeyes.
See, there it is.
Oops. Tommy put the Popeyes in the back seat. He doesn't want me to keep picking.
You grease up the car.
What did I do, hon?
You get greasy fingerprints all over the car.
Are you kidding me now?
Everywhere.
I'm not messy like you.
Greasy, greasies.
What is
I guess the puppies will be glad you brought them chicken.
Oh yeah. Here. Shout out in the car, guys. There's no name. It's from Kuwait.
Sure there's a name.
Hadi Khatib from Kuwait. Hi, thank you for watching. This one is from New Jersey. Rixie Suniga 17. Claudia Valencia. Sunanit Suan from Baltimore, Maryland. Hi, thank you for watching. Even though if you are not in my shout out, I really from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all of the time, guys, you give to my channel. You always be there to watch, to give, you know, 10-15 minutes in your time. To my previous vlog, guys, about in the future, the one that I said that I hope I can see you when I go back to the Philippines, and then we can have a eating portion. lechon eating and get drunk. And I hope that time Tommy is going with me, and you guys can see him to his craziness, because in real life he is really like that. He's very friendly. Tommy is very friendly in real life, like crazy friendly. Oh my god. Oh, honey, slow down.
I want to get this.
Oh, stop.
This truck is going that way. This truck's going that way. I'm trying to get between them before they.
Oh god.
Because this guy's going over his lane.
He gave me a heart attack. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for keeping her busy.
I believe I can fly. Dun, dun. Han, do you want rice? Han?
Nope.
The meaning of true love. If I can do it, if I can see it, if I can believe it. Is that a boneless one?
Mm-hmm.
Why you keep doing that to the dog?
No chickens. None for them.
Thank you.
You are here, you get chickens.
What are you doing over there? Ay, Pop! My God, you're digging on my knee! Honey, she dig on my knee. And her nails, guys, is crazy. Mag-finger ta, guys. And I like when you clean your face. You need to shave it, John. There's no winter anymore. It's spring. It's sprung and sprung it.
Sprung a leak.
Huh?
The spring sprung a leak.
Sprung like.
It leaked winter right in.
It's sprung like the winter leaking. Leaking
leaked right in.
Leak right into the spring. This is not gonna go bad if we don't put this in the refrigerator overnight.
Yes.
It's not. We Filipino, if we don't have refrigerators, not gonna go bad. As long as you eat it, you cook it 12 o'clock.
In the refrigerator.
This is what happened in
the Philippines.
the Filipino thing.
The
For
Philippines.
example, you cook the rice 12 o'clock in the afternoon. You don't wait that rice. If you don't have a refrigerator, you eat that before tomorrow 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Because after 12, when it hit 12 o'clock, it go bad. Yeah, 24 hours.
Recently, at 12:01 it turned black.
No, guys. Do you agree, guys? Or just leave me a comment and I will show it to Tommy. Say it in English, guys. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, just say it in English.
Oh yeah, please say it in English. I want to see wrong. I want to see all these comments. Wrong. On the nose. On the snout. 24 hours on the snout. Snout. On the snout.
She's a good girl. Misty, your paw.
Boop. Off the table.
You make him crazy, huh? Where's Dada? Do you wanna go get him? Do you want some bouncy? Who do you want? Do you want some boonsicles? Okay, guys. I will see you later. We're just gonna go car washing. Honey, you make them crazy. It used to be. I'm so excited.
I'm talking Missy language.
Monkey. Ay, Tommy. No, is that Roxy?
Oh.
I got your ear. Give me the ear. I didn't get it.
Honey, she will bite you. She is the best though, guys. She is not boring at all. Look at her tail, guys. Look at her tail. That means she is happy. She's happy, guys. She's happy. Misty, poor Misty. Ignore you. People ignore Misty all the time. Oh, come here, Miss. Come here, baby. I don't ignore you. I love you. I just don't show it to you. I love you, baby. She is really a good girl. It's just kind of boring dog. She's a boring dog. She just want to be lovey-dovey. If you hug her, she just stay put there overnight. She's not a fun dog. Ooh. No, hon, it's not funny when you see that. Forget it. Let's go. You stay here, Rox. You're not going with us.
Rock, you drive.
I'm living a midnight dream tomorrow. What? Man, I'm going. What? I pack up my trouble and on the wall. Stuck on you guys. Han? Do you need the other car key?
You need your car. I wouldn't have the black car right at the key.
Oh, I thought you have it.
How do I have it? Why would I have the black car key?
Because you have the other spare one. It's right here. Whatever. What?
Well, you try to get this car and you move this car away.
Put it in the grass. A lot of car wash over here. There's a lot of people doing car wash, guys. And we're going in. We are here. So now the first thing we're going to look, guys, is the steering wheel cover. Oh, it's right here, man. Do you want this? It feels so good.
I don't think so.
I like it. They're all kind of crappy naman.
Yeah.
They don't have a good one. Get this one. It's very soft.
Oh, this one could be a lot.
We're in a car wash. So now we can't go here, guys, because look at the bridge. It's up. That's a bridge, guys. Bridge closed. What
Yeah.
the heck? So now, where is this? I don't know this area.
Oh, you told me to go this way.
Oh, they have bridges here. My car is very clean now, guys. It is clean. We can't go home because everything is closed. We came home and then I changed this green, yeah, dark green sweater. Parang yung suot ko kanina, susuotin ko naman pag may lakad kami. Ganyan ako, guys. So anyway, guys, I'm just replying all the comments, guys, from yesterday's vlog. And thank you to Armida Parsons. Hi sis, thank you for recommending my video to your friend. Yeah, si Mike Layerson, Mike Layerson or Lerson. Hi, and Glinda Sawe. Cora Jackman, hi sis. I'm so tired, and also the dogs are so tired. They're like lying down over the. While I'm talking to you guys, Misty and Roxy's eyes is like this, staring at me. Roxy, just close your eyes. I'm not going nowhere. This coming Monday, it's supposedly I have an appointment for a job, for just 1 week job to taking care of the dog, because they're going out of town. They're going to vacation, and she want me to just stay there for like a week overnight because she have somebody for the daytime, so she just want somebody to stay there for nighttime. And she texted me this morning. She told me due to her work, the family, because of her work, they're not able to go vacation because they usually do vacation every month. So that's what happened, guys. Yeah, so I told her, yeah, I'm looking forward in the future to work with you, and thank you for saving my number, because she said she will save the information. And yeah, and that's really it. So I don't have an appointment, so I just constantly just looking. And I'm planning to cook steak for dinner, and I have to cook that steak that Tommy got long time ago na last month. It's kinda hard. The meat is kinda hard, so I have to cook it anyway, because if we don't cook it, that means just like wasting it. So I'm gonna cook it anyway. I'm reading and replying all the messages. Nakakataba talaga ng puso yung mga comment nyo, guys, na gusto rin nyo akong makita. At nakakataba talaga ng puso na gusto pala niya talaga akong makita. At ako rin, guys, kung pwede pala ngayon na dito sa backyard natin, punta kayo. Sana malapit kayo, I'm surprised that you guys wanna meet me too. Also, I told Tommy I hope he can go with me in 2020, few years from now, to go visit the Philippines. I hope that he can go with me, and I'm not the only one you guys can meet. I hope I can bring Roxy and my pets, but that's impossible. But if Tommy can go, it's amazing. You meet him too, in the future, 2020. But to my new subscriber, if somebody asked how old I am turning 33 this coming April 5th, and Tommy is 56. So a lot of you guys asking how old the gap is. Tommy is not really that far, guys, and for me it's really not far. I shout out to Jim Ohanos. Hi sis. At sa mga anak mo, hi mga anak. Tickle. And also shout out to Maritis Garcia and to her sister Marijo Grutas. Is that Grutas? Yeah. Look what Tommy did, guys. Lying down in front of the fireplace. You're cold, huh? It's nice to see fireplace.
When you use a fireplace in a house, the other rooms get cold.
It's ridiculous.
That's where the thermostat is. The upstairs has its own thermostat though. You guys could lie here. I know how to get the fire. You
Okay.
can sit here.
Okay, Zidadi, you can lie over there.
Rox,
Go.
you can lie here.
They're tired and they want to they want to be close with you. Look at how very cute you guys, three of you. The three of you, so
No, we're
cute.
just hams.
I love you, Rox. You're so pretty. Oh, you two mates. You're a great little dog. Look at they keep yawning and never end. They're tired. Hi guys, shout out to Queenie Maravillis. Hi Queenie, she is from Jinsan. So hi, thank you sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Malu Kalamba Corgi, and also to her two kids, Dorin and Darwin Corgis. Hi, thank you for watching people. Oh, shout out to Jezebel and Florin. Hi sis. And also shout out to Bing Bing, Jinsi Jiho. Hi, thank you for watching. Yeah. So, dinner namin is steak. Yun lang, steak lang. Wala nang iba. What? What? Do it again. Look at that guy. Hey. Seriously?
From your one cigarette lighter.
It is 9:47 already in the evening. Gabi na guys. Matutulog na ako. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Well, my head is like, oh, it's nice. It's very nice. Like I was thinking like, wow, the fun thing, like the eating part and laughing and singing karaoke.